Hi, this is Mark Hofer with the Studio for Teaching and Learning Innovation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Panopto screen recording in your Blackboard site. So I begin by going to my Blackboard course site that I want to link the video with, and I go over to the menu bar on the left and click on Tools, and then Panopto Content. Assuming that I have Panopto linked to my Blackboard course, I can simply then create and record a new session. And I will open the Panopto application that I've downloaded on my computer. Now it pops up with a little session window. I'm going to give this a quick title. I'm going to call it Technology Research Lecture. I have some PowerPoint slides that I'm going to share. And I'm going to keep my webcam running just to create a little more engagement with students. And you can see that I can select a camera here if I want, similar with a microphone. I'm going to go with the built-in options here. And I'm going to make sure that Record a PowerPoint is linked below. So once I've got that all how I want it, I make sure it's going into the right course. I can select my courses here. This is where I want it to go. I'm going to click the Record button. Now I can pop over to my PowerPoint and begin to give my lecture, just like I ordinarily would. And I can go through and narrate any slides. I can advance them like I normally would, introduce my topics one at a time, and go through my whole lecture this way. So the students will see not only my slides, but also a picture-in-picture of me through the webcam talking. I'll show you how you can turn that off later. When you're all done, you go back to the Panopto recorder, and I can click Stop. And I've already given it a name, so I like that. I can also add a description here if I like. I'm going to skip that step for now. And then I click Upload. So we can see this is a short video, so it's going to upload and process pretty quickly. But do note that for longer lectures or longer video recordings, they will definitely take a longer period of time. But once this processes, uploads to the site, then we are going to be able to add that to Blackboard to share with my students.